Assalamualaikum. Good morning, children.
Waalaikumsalam. Good morning, Miss.
Today we will discuss the process of Indonesian independence, a very important historical event for our nations.
Miss, I want to ask, how did the Indonesian independence happen?
That's a good question. Indonesia's independence began with the American bombings on Japan on August 6 and August 9, 1945 in the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. In a short time, these two atomic bombs managed to kill hundreds of thousands of people in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. As a result, Japan, which had already been decisively defeated, was forced to surrender to the Allies, marking the end of World War II. Young fighters who heard the news from the BBC radio then began to pressure Sukarno and Hatta to seize the momentum as soon as possible to proclaim independence. This pressure sparked a debate between the young and the old group because there was no official statement from the Japanese side. Therefore, the older generation requested to wait until August 24, 1945. The young generation, who didn't want Sukarno and Hatta to be intimidated by Japan, decided to kidnap the two national figures in the early hour of August 16, 1945 during a sting clock. After continuous pressure, Sukarno and Hatta finally agreed to proclaim Indonesian independence no later than August 17, 1945. That night, they arrived at Admiral Maeda's house to discuss the matter on August 17, 1945 at 3 a.m. The proclamation text, composed in two paragraphs by Sukarno, Hatta, and Ahmad Subarjo, was completed 2 hours later and typed by Sayuti Melik, and finally read out in front of the entire Indonesian people on the morning of August 17, 1945.
Miss, I want to ask again, what does independence mean for our nation?
Independence for us is the right to determine our own destiny, to live in the sovereignty of our own homeland, and to build a better future for future generations. Independence also carries a great responsibility to maintain the unity, integrity, and progress of the nations.
Okay. Thank you, Miss, for today. I understand more now how valuable Indonesian independence is for our nation.
Anytime, always remember that independence is a gift to be cherished and defended. We all have a role to play in ensuring that these values of independence remaining alive and thriving in the hearts of every citizen.